We've all seen videos of police knocking down criminals' doors, so know that it can be a noisy task. The Holmatro door blaster does the same job quicker and quieter, meaning the criminal has less chance of escaping. This powerful piece of equipment makes opening any door look easy. It can open doors that have multiple locks, high-resistant doors, and inward opening doors. The device uses a pneumatic hydraulic drive to push the door open, which also means that the pump also produces no sound, making sure to keep the element of surprise. The door plaster is light and compact, easy to carry around, and is operated by one person. It's quick and easy to use. Simply press one button to secure the blaster in place and another to operate the blaster. A remote can also be used to operate the device. The blaster comes with a backpack to carry pump, bottle, and converter, as well as accessories that may be needed. The blaster can be used repeatedly without issue and can be adapted to open single lock doors with minimal damage. The police and military are coming up with more ingenious inventions to help protect themselves during combat situations. Here we have the Rook. At first, it just looks like a large forklift, but this invention has many features to help aid multiple operations. Any law enforcement work can become very dangerous and sometimes result in gunfire. This is where the Rook can come in. The Rook is a type of forklift made from Caterpillar, especially for armed forces. However, instead of the standard fork attachment, this machine comes with an armoured cabin. It's spacious enough to fit 4 people comfortably and comes with storage spaces for equipment. Another huge advantage to the cabin is it can lift officers to the 2nd floor extremely quickly. The Rook can be used for other tasks as well as such as making holes in walls, moving cars, or other obstacles that may be in the way. The Rook can also be used for search and rescue missions, helping to remove rubble or other large objects away. Military equipment is becoming more advanced by the day, and we're fighting less on the front line due to modern technology. However, sometimes we still need to be on the front line. This new lightweight torpedo helps with taking out enemies that could be a threat. The Torpedo is made by Saab and was originally made for the Swedish Navy, but is now open to a wider market. The Torpedo comes with a state-of-the-art digital homing system and uses an intuitive AI to instantly adapt to regular or difficult hydroacoustic conditions, meaning the Torpedo can find its own way to the target. It's incredibly versatile due to it being able to be fired from multiple systems without being adapted. It can be launched remotely from aircraft, helicopters, ships, and submarines, allowing the military to attack from any way possible. The torpedoes are fast, light, accurate, and reliable. An added advantage is they can record mission data for analysis or training. Many of us have thought about the idea of an invention to help assist us during our job. The company Lockheed Martin has done exactly that for military personnel. Although this exoskeleton is only for the waist down, it can still provide huge amount of help for the user. The invention weighs about 6.5 kilograms, but according to the ones who have tried it, they can hardly feel it's there. The invention has several sensors, a built-in smart computer, and electrical mechanical actuators for the knee. The principle of the invention is really simple. When the person is moving on a flat surface and not carrying any extra load, the exoskeleton does not work. However, if the system senses an increase in load or an incline or decline of the surface, the exoskeleton will start to assess the user. This in turn will help the user to move faster, travel longer distances, and lift heavy objects. The battery will last between 8 and 16 hours of use depending on its type. Mission Master. This invention is capable of performing a wide variety of different tasks and is used in reconnaissance and surveillance missions. This invention is perfect for detecting chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear weapons, helping to keep troops as safe as possible. The creators of this invention offer different models for vehicle, which allows it to perform other tasks such as medical evacuations and to assist in a firefight. With the 8 wheels that work independently, this vehicle can travel on all terrain, getting to almost anywhere. anywhere. Mission Master can follow troops, automatically freeing up troops to help assist in other aspects of the mission. The medical evacuation module comes with 2 stretchers and medical supplies. The attack module can fire a staggering 14 rockets and comes with either a rocket launcher or a machine gun as well. All of this together can really help and protect troops during their mission, making them much more successful. This hover bike has been rumoured to be adopted by the Dubai police force. It's fully electric and can take off vertically, meaning you don't have to worry about having enough space to take off. It's powered by 4 propellers, one on each corner to lift the bike off the floor, reaching an altitude of 33 feet and a top speed of 43 miles per hour. The batteries for the bike can be recharged in 3 hours or be swapped over in less than a minute. The Dubai police force has already started to train some officers to fly these awesome machines to monitor large, highly trafficked areas. So if you're planning on visiting Dubai anytime soon, keep an eye out for one of these hover bikes. These bikes are also available for other consumers. However, all buyers are screened before purchasing one to make sure they're capable of flying the machine. This is because the bike comes under the weight limit of needing to have a pilot's license, meaning anyone can drive one. As well as the police and military, terrorists and criminals are also using drones more often. The military has come up with a new weapon to help neutralize them. Although this weapon looks like a firearm, it does not need any bullets for projectiles to work. It works by using a radio signal at the same sequences as satellite navigation systems, which interrupts the frequency of the drones, causing them to land or return to the owner immediately. Although the best option is for the drone to land, both options neutralize the drone, taking away any risk. The drone defender can neutralize drones from up to 400 meters away and has a battery life of 5 hours. So if you're flying your drones in areas you shouldn't, then be mindful it might get zapped down. Here we have another invention to take down drones in areas they shouldn't be in. This invention is much louder and some would say much more fun. Drones have become very popular and affordable, but pose a huge threat on the police, military and secret services. PitBall is an invention made by the Israeli company General Robotics to neutralize drones using 2 modes. The invention can mount a machine gun either with a 7.62 or 5.56mm gun. If the drone is moving, then this invention can neutralize it from 500 meters. However, if the drone is hovering, it can be taken down from 800 meters. The radar that is on board the PitBall can detect drones from up to 5 kilometers, making sure that the device is ready for when the drone gets closer. This invention comes with a jammer to neutralize drones and can be operated in 5 different frequencies, allowing the device to take down even the most protected drones. This remote-controlled robot helps military personnel when it comes to terrorists in close quarters combat. The robot carries a 9mm gun inside, which can be modified to carry MUS types of pistols, allowing you to swap it for something a little more customized. The robot is controlled by a remote control that allows the operator to see inside rooms without having to enter them. The remote can engage or disengage the weapon safety quickly, easily making sure only the right personnel can take out the weapon. This robot is perfect for hostage situations, urban warfare, and advanced target surveillance. Another huge advantage with the robot in hostage situations is the 2-way audio helping with negotiations. The onboard cameras allow you to see what's happening in a certain room, as well as helping to move the robot around, avoiding obstacles. The robot is lightweight, weighing only 10 kilograms, making it easy to carry around. SwatBot is an awesome invention for the SWAT team. According to the creators of this invention, SwatBot is the world's first robot built specifically for SWAT teams. The robot provides a ballistic shield that can protect multiple people at once from bullets and shrapnel from explosions. The armed men can walk behind the robot with their hands free to engage in any necessary combat. SwatBot's nose is made from hardened steel to help penetrate buildings where access is limited. The built-in winch can lift and move loads up to 2,260 kilograms, which can come in handy when the SWAT team needs to move cars, trucks, waste, or any other obstruction that is blocking their route. The robot's huge tracks allow the robot to move easily over any terrain, gaining access to almost anywhere. Another advantage is that it can be started up in only 5 seconds, so if you see a SwatBot near you, we recommend you stay well out of the way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.